Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and for at least a year, my husband has been really wanting a pair of these On trainers, and he finally got some. These are the On Cloud trainers. They are a size 9.5. They fit true to size. He does wear between a 9 and a 10, depending on the shoe. They fit him really nicely, and he goes on and on and on about how much he loves these shoes. They are so comfortable. He can be on his feet all day long, running from one place to the next and not have sore, tired feet at the end of the day. He loves the way they look. I do too. I love anything with a good ombre, and they've got this dark blue to light blue with this really cool orange line through it. They're very unique. I have never seen anything quite like this shoe before. What more can you want from a shoe? It looks great, it's comfortable, your feet don't hurt at the end of the day. And that's just my point of view.